how to re-download the App Store on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to re-download the App Store on iPhone. So if you're also facing your App Store being missing on your iPhone, so in that case, what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once inside your settings, just click on this option called General. Right over here, just tap on this general option, and from over here you scroll all the way down until you see the transfer or reset iPhone option. Just tap on this and click on this reset button over here, and you will have to reset your device completely. So if you don't want to reset and fix this issue without resetting, having to reset your device, then in that case what you can do is just come over to your settings once again, and once you're inside here, just tap on this screen time button over here. Just tap on this and scroll down until you see the option called content and privacy restrictions. So just tap on it once again, and from over here just click on this iTunes and App Store purchases. So just tap on this and make sure you click on this installing apps, and just click on allow button over here. And once you do that, your device should be successfully getting App Store back to your iPhone, just like this. As you can see, the App Store has appeared over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.